Got a little thin.
Dude, look at that. He took his kneecap off.
Hey, sorry, bud. Should I sign a glove?
Garrett's gonna put me in a driver today.
Corey's gonna put him in a driver.
Corey's gonna put him in a driver.
Yeah.
How would you sum up your driver game right now?
Wildly inconsistent. It's just very lethargic, apathetic, maybe.
Yeah.
Kind of like the rest of my game.
What's the biggest challenge to fitting someone who's 6'8"?
Nothing. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, everybody comes in all different shapes and sizes, and
That's right.
you know, one of the cool things is we've seen a lot of stuff down here, so it's not really that big of a deal. Nothing we haven't seen down here at the test center. So.
All right, big guy. Let's see it.
All right.
I feel like I'm in good hands.
Ooh, the big guy.
Ball speed's pretty good, 141.
What are we changing here?
So I'm going to move the center of gravity position so that I'm going to make this a little more phase bias. Right now he's hitting it right to left.
Try that one, this guy, it's really cool to hang out here with Big Randy and his team. You know, on the range, he's got his guys, he's got his business manager, his agent. There's this guy over here, a podcaster with no laying up. So he's kind of lingering, hoping that he can maybe get some of Big Randy's time. But as his associate, I may have to be the gatekeeper a little bit. Oh, boy, we like that.
Just gonna make the club a little longer.
Yeah.
So we're at 45.5. He's a big dude, right? With shorter arms, more importantly. So I want to put a little length in his hands, go to a 46-inch shaft to see how that affects his club head delivery.
Oh.
I was just telling him, but they're like 4 years old.
I mean, that's the one.
I thought that one was pretty good. Where are you living?
Notice his launch angle went from 8 to
Colorado?
11.
Yeah.
Boom. Oh, that was. I mean, that's the optimum ball, right?
That's the one he should stop on right there. 145 ball speed. Okay, that's his highest ball speed thus far. Okay. His launch angle is at 12. I'm gonna look for something 10 to 14 for that number. Just kind of roundabout. And his spin rate's 2,600. So I'm gonna look for a spin rate anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000. That's his longest carry, 240, and that is his longest total at 261 at we're at sea level. So
That feels like the stopping point.
oh yeah, I'm not gonna let him hit another golf shot.
You're fixed.
He's done.
It's an easy game.
But yeah, we use supercomputers to design the face, right? So you used to have like 3 or 4 engineers that were going through a couple iterations for the new driver face. 15,000, I can't remember the exact number of iterations that we went through, and it would take your like standard computer like 34 years to come up with the face or something like that. So what we did is basically said, supercomputer, go design a face that produces the maximum ball speed in the center of the face, right? And so what the supercomputer does is it goes and it does that, right? And it learns as it's iterating so that we create the fastest face that we can for that driver specifically.
His flow, like let's talk about his new flow. I put product in my hair, so
let me get the
let's
full,
get a 360.
You've got kind of a Woody Harrelson from the Hunger Games vibe going on right now.
Think you got it?
This one is for you, Hanzo and Troy.
Phone's on silent.
Yes, good call. It's not your first time doing this.
Question.
Wow, guys. Wow. Room full of rookies right here.
Double check.
No.
Wait, nervous?
A little bit. Got a little thin.
Randy, I want to sit right to the left.
Right in the floor.
Jeez, it's a war zone!
All right, so
Randy, put it further back in your stance.
Further back? Put it like off your back foot.
Really?
Back foot? Really? Oh, he takes a dip.
No way, dude.
No way.
No way.
Yeah,
Absolutely not.
A little shanky. How close? How close?
All right, we've brought in the professionals to help Neil.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well. So I was gonna try to flop it up over the big guy here.
What club you got?
I've got the 64 degree.
64 degree PM grind.
That's a bit cheating. Here's a 60 for you.
How open should he be? Does that look right?
Yeah, from the face, yeah. Keep your weight. Now take it back. Okay. Take it back, sir. Now when you're coming down, what do you want to do? You want to feel like you're this. No, you don't stand up.
Oh, flip it, flip it.
You gotta flip this for your
Okay.
feet underneath that.
Okay.
Oh.
Pretty good.
I do it out of the back of my stance. So that's just flout all common sense and then logic.
Well, no, that's fine. Let me see.
Open up the face more.
You gotta open the face and put the ball up in your stance and release.
Hey, if you had one word to describe what you just saw, what would it be?
Ouch. Take it back swing. Okay. Come down. So you gotta feel this. Like
kind of cupping it.
Yeah. You gotta release the club underneath. Yeah, and also, but you gotta create some. You gotta start with some loft. There you go.
That was beautiful.
That was good. You're a miracle worker. Well done. Thank you. Well done.
I'm really struggling with accuracy on wedges. I feel like I'm getting like I'm looking up and I feel like it should be left of the flag and it's just kind of like going right of the flag. Even from like 60 yards and I don't, it's not alignment I don't think. I've used alignment aids and everything and I don't know what it is. So you want to take a look and help me out? All right.
Sure. So that was 3 inches left of the pin. So I can understand what his complaint.
Yeah, what would you recommend to fix
I mean, I
that?
can screw it
Just
up
a
if you want me
little
to.
more club.
There.
So his face is open. Okay, his stance is open, so he's going to hit a I don't know, oblique angle, so it's going to go right to left.
So this is a square club face right now.
A little more square. There you go.
That feels like I'm just got it shut. Oh my goodness.
He's fixed. He's unlocked a new level.
That was all I needed. That felt so much better.
Meanwhile.
So I cut tape and I place the tape, and whatever is under the tape stays black, whatever is exposed gets gray, and you can see the gray area was sandblasted away.
How do you do the chrome one?
So this is a laser. So the detail, the real small detail like someone's logo is a laser. This big stuff, this was Michelle Wie's, this is a sticker.
Bryce, what do you see here in Neil's lefty swing?
It didn't look bad. You know what I'm saying? For a guy that doesn't really know how to play golf left-handed, it didn't look bad at all.
Anybody else see that?
Randy, that's as good or better than your right-handed swing.
Oh!
Can't really twirl it lefty.
Some people say that I'm crooked, but I don't know what they're talking about really. It's just kind of like people give me things and I just accept them. That's how I live.
Listen, Michelle, I'm a pretty bad putter.
Maybe a little yippy.
What do I need? Like, I need something I can consistently go to.
I think we need to get you a little closer to the ground.
Okay.
You know, it's all about the 90-degree angle.
Okay.
If you did it right, I could set this cup on your back and you can putt.
How much flexibility do I need? Because that's
Can you touch your toes?
Well,
let's see what we're working with.
I mean, it's all right.
Okay.
It's all right.
Yeah.
How far down does he need to be? Is that far enough?
Let me see.
Is that straight?
Keep going a little more. There, perfect. That is the perfect posture right there.
So what made you go to this putting style originally?
I had the severe putting yips. So, you know, I was putting so badly. I had such anxiety over putting, and I just felt like I was really far from the ball. And I actually was in the middle of a tournament, the CMU Tour Championship, our last tournament of the year, and I was putting so bad. And I was like, while someone else was putting, I was kind of messing around, and I was like, Oh, actually, that looks really good to me. The ball is so close, and I just felt more connected to it. So I did it in the middle of the round, and I started making everything. And I was like, this is it. And then people were like, what are you doing? I'm like, what do you mean what am I doing? And then I started seeing photos. I'm like, oh, I'm doing that. When I did the tabletop, I really felt like my arms were really connected to my body. Okay. And I almost felt like this was like in the middle, and I just like was using this way. So it almost was feeling like a belly putter.
So your elbows
like
are almost
this.
into your body?
Like think T-Rex arms.
Okay.
Yeah, but really tuck your shoulders in and then make it feel like the center of the shaft is moving with your chest. See how like your arm is disconnecting? So almost feel like it's going like this way. You're kind of going that way. Yeah, there we go. That looks really good.
That was great. We just got to get it online.
Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Yes! I think it was a cup on the back.
I might be cured. I might be cured. That might be it.
Okay.
Do you, like, at my local course, do you think anybody would make fun of me for putting like that?
100%.
Okay. But you just gotta
own it.
Just block it
Yeah.
out. Okay. Alright. We created a monster.
That's been the trouble spot, though.
I would really recommend not facing your butt this way.
I recognize where the camera is.